In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in Adobe Express. Renaming a file is a simple way to keep your projects organized and easy to find later, especially when you're juggling multiple versions or collaborating with others. Let's walk through it step by step so you can do it confidently every time. First, head to Your Stuff in Adobe Express. This is the main space where your projects, files, and libraries live. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar on desktop, and it may appear as a tab or folder icon on mobile. If your project is saved in a specific folder, navigate into that folder first. You can also use the search bar or filters if your workspace is crowded. Both are helpful for quickly locating what you need without scrolling. Next, find the file or project you want to rename and look for the three dots next to it, often called the More Options menu. On desktop, the three dots typically appear when you hover over the item or alongside the file name. On mobile, they'll be visible near the thumbnail or title. Click or tap those three dots to reveal a menu of actions related to that file. This menu is your go-to for tasks like duplicating, moving, deleting, and, of course, renaming. From that menu, choose Rename. A text field will open, letting you type a new name. Enter something descriptive that will make sense to you later. Think of including the purpose, version, or date, like Brand Banner V2, OGG. Avoid using special characters that some systems don't like, such as slashes or question marks. Keep it clean and readable, with spaces or dashes if needed. When you're done, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Confirm checkmark or Save button, depending on your device. You'll see the new name update immediately in your stuff. A few quick tips. Renaming won't change the content of your project or its file type, and if you've shared the project with collaborators, they'll see the updated name the next time they view it. If the rename option appears dimmed or unavailable, make sure you have editing access to that item and confirm you're connected to the internet. Adobe Express needs an active connection to save changes. If something looks off, try refreshing the page and checking again. That's all there is to it. By using clear, consistent names, you'll save time and avoid confusion later on, especially when working across devices or with a team. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Adobe Express.